Hey, what's going on? It is Sylvia Caratini here, bringing you yet another amazing video. So, if you're tuning in, I make videos all about the latest, the hottest, the greatest work from home leads where you're able to apply and get yourself a work from home or a remote position. Now, today I do have a work from home lead that is currently hiring full-time for a remote position, and they're also giving you a 10% increase from your starting pay once you complete the training with them. They also provide the company equipment for you to get started and as well as benefits. So if this is something that interests you, let's get into the video. Alright, so the company that is currently hiring for a customer service representative is a company called Dish Network. So for Dish Network, they're currently hiring for a full-time remote position as a customer service representative. So let's get right into it. So for Dish, their first priority is customer experience and for their agents to excel by simply simplifying the lives and helping communities get the most from their TV experience. They have over 40 years where they have been tuned in with the needs of their customers. So for this role, your job, duties, and responsibilities as a customer experience representative, you will serve as an information resource for billing, programming, technical troubleshooting questions, including suggesting products and services to new and existing customers so that they can get the most value and enjoyment from their Dish experience. You will also be providing solutions to customers from simple concerns to escalated and complex situations. And if you like to solve problems and interact with people from across the country or just maybe a few towns over, then there's definitely a spot for you. In this role, you will always have at least 2 days off in a row. You will support customers between the hours of 6 a.m. and 10 p.m. to 10 p.m. and that's Mountain Time. They have 2 shift structures, which one is an 8-hour shift that is 5 days a week, or 10-hour shifts, which will be 4 days a week. So you'll have the option of having those 2 days off or 3 days off, depending on which shift you would like. Have open availability, including the weekends and holidays. That allows for potential schedule change every 12 to 15 weeks, and that's based on the business needs. You also need to be able to take back-to-back tech support or customer service phone calls with customers throughout the entirety of your shift. So if you don't like being on the phone, if you don't like helping or dealing with customer service, then this may not be the role for you. You will also engage with a diverse consumer base to provide solutions for customers' needs and technical issues. So you may ask, what's in it for you? So this is a full-time work from home position. They do give you a 10% increase to your starting rate upon the completion of your apprenticeship. They provide company equipment, extensive benefits package that includes medical, dental, and vision insurance, PTO, your paid time off, and paid sick time, 401k investments with company matching funds, tuition reimbursement, discounted on Dish, Sling, and Boost services. So if you're someone who has Dish, you're a customer of Dish. If you have Sling TV or Boost services, you get a discounted price for simply being an employee of Dish Network. This opportunity is one of our greatest benefits, where the representatives are built to work hard and rise, and that they offer defined career ladders and extensive opportunity for upward mobility. So that's just saying that you can come in as a customer service representative and there's room for you to grow if you obviously do very well in your role. So right here is where you can click here. You can watch a short video previewing the top reasons to join the award-winning customer service team and to help keep people, families, communities connected to the news and entertainment that matters. So if you're very interested in learning those top 10 reasons, you'll simply click there to touch base with that information. Now, for your skills, experience, and requirements, the ideal representatives will have a high school diploma, GED, or equivalent experience, so you don't need a degree. a college degree to get started, have 6 months of related customer service and troubleshooting experience and or training, have the openness to be coachable, and a desire to learn new techniques. So obviously when you come aboard, you do have to be coachable because you're going to be on the phone and you're dealing with customers. So you have to be able to take the feedback so that you can bring it back when you go back onto the phone and taking other calls, and be able to apply what you learn from the coachings. All representatives must have the ability to remain engaged on the phone throughout the entirety of your shift with minimal to no distractions. You need to have the ability to be on camera during all of the video meetings, have superb attendance, open availability to work the hours of 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Mountain Time, as well as weekends and holidays, the flexibility with the schedule changes that occur every 12 to 15 weeks, be tech savvy with the ability to smoothly operate multiple windows and tabs while simultaneously providing the best-in-class customer service experience, speaking to the customers where you'll be working. You'll be working from home. This is a 100% remote position. So at Dish, they do understand that the modern employee may need to operate on their feet and out of the office. But here, working from home allows you to perform a professional workday from the comfort of your home. Your work at home technical requirements. Dish will provide all of the equipment required to perform the role, aside from the home internet. The home internet is something that you need to already have in your home in order for you to start doing this role. You need to have a dedicated home office workspace with stable cable, DSL, or fiber ISP internet connection with a minimum of 25 MBSP download and 2 MBSP upload speed with 99% uptime and no bandwidth or data caps. You need to have a wire Ethernet between the modem and the PC without the use of an adapter. Wi-Fi or wireless is not supported, so that just means that you need to have that Ethernet cord going into the equipment that they're going to provide to you and directly into your modem. So all the costs to meet and maintain these requirements are responsibility of the employee and is not reimbursed by Dish. So, that is required by law. And then your starting pay depends on your home location. So you would have to go through these states. We have Arizona, Colorado, Connecticut, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Kansas, Massachusetts, Maine. So you just would go through these, scroll through these, see which one is your state to see where your starting pay will start out, because it varies from state to state. Some people are getting paid $15.50 up until $16.50. So if you're interested in working for this remote position, you simply click the link that's going to be below this video in the description. It will bring you here, and then once you're here, you will simply click apply. It will ask you to enter in your email address, and then from there you'll enter all your information and click submit to apply for this position. Alright, so there you have it. This is another work from home lead that is currently hiring right now for a customer service representative, and I'm pretty sure you heard of Dish Network. It is one of the top companies that is providing TV services for people all around, and you get discounts for simply being an employee with Dish itself, Sling TV, and Boost services. So like I said, if this is something that interests you and you want to apply for this work from home role, then you simply click the link that is going to be below this video in the description, and you go put in your application today. And just a quick tip, if you are searching for a work from home role, don't ever think that, oh, let me just put this one application in and that will be it. No, the goal is to put in several applications. And even if an employer even sends you, like an email or a text message, because everybody's different of how they reply, and they simply say, even though your application was impressive, we decided to go with other applicants, don't ever get discouraged from that. You can literally apply again and apply again and apply again and keep putting in applications in several times, and even go for other roles. There is no cap, there is no limit on amount of positions that you can apply for, and then you never know what role you'll get if you never put in the applications. So go out there and take action. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any future work from home leads, anything related to online businesses and how to make money online. And then also be sure to hit that like button if you are enjoying my content. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you on the next one.